the HP Pavilion 15 laptop is definitely something to keep on your radar. Now, this specific model packs a lot of power, but configurations may vary depending on where you purchase it. This configuration sports a 15.6-inch diagonal Full HD IPS display that is vibrant and looks amazing, along with the fact that the bezel is minimal. Now, it also works great for any back-to-school task. Now, right above the display, there's the HP Wide Vision HD camera that will work perfectly for any video chats that you're likely to have for various things. There are plenty of ports here, including USB-C, Ethernet, HDMI, etc., you name it. The 10th gen Intel Core i7 processor and 16 gigabytes of RAM here meets the demands of creative tasks like photo and video editing, while the design here isn't bulky or disruptive in any environment. It's made of metal and super sleek. The Pavilion 15 packs Intel Iris graphics, which work great for powering many creative tasks such as 4K video editing or even some light gaming, and with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5 inside, that means that you'll be able to quickly connect to the internet and any other devices in your workflow. Now, the processor here takes on heavier tasks by turbo boosting from the stock 1.3 gigahertz all the way up to 3.9 gigahertz, and that just means that you'll have the power that you need when you need it. And along with all of that, the audio is great here as well. The HP speakers are custom tuned with experts at Bang & Olufsen, and as far as the battery goes, this thing is definitely made for longevity. But if you happen to burn through the up to 10 hours of mixed usage that it provides, you can easily charge up this laptop from 0 to 50% in about 45 minutes using fast charge. Now, the best part here is that this specific configuration comes in around $900, which is pretty insane for what you get here. It's definitely something that I could use to accomplish a lot of tasks personally, but will work fantastic for any back-to-school situation at home or not.